is this represents a lung. Okay, it's a little bit different than the lung. Okay, it's sort of similar in size, but Principal Windland and I were talking. Okay, it's different than your lung because this is kind of just a big cavity. Okay, your lungs are made up of tiny, tiny, tiny little sacs. Okay, where the air goes, they're really tiny, so it doesn't just look like a cavity. If you were to take a lung out, cut it in half, okay, it looks almost like a sponge. Okay, so it's a little bit different. But what this is going to do, okay, we're going to light a cigarette in the top here, and then I'll pull this plug, and this will smoke the cigarette. Okay, as the water leaves, it'll suck the smoke in. So that represents like when you're smoking. Okay, when you're taking a drag off of a cigarette. Okay, so you'll see what happens in those tiny little sacs in your lungs as you take puffs of just one cigarette. Okay, see the smoke going into it? That's just like you're taking a puff off of it. How many people know somebody that smokes? I do. I know a bunch of people that smoke. They bad people? No, not at all, right? Okay. A habit that you have does not make you a bad person at all. Is it bad for them? Absolutely. Okay, it is. Okay, so as this smokes, our lung, those little tiny sacs in our lungs are filling up. They're getting that smoke in them. It's getting into the bloodstream, giving them that feeling that they're looking for. The nicotine, okay, makes them crave it more. So what happens when you smoke? Okay, obviously you don't just, that smoke doesn't just go in there and stay, right? What do? Yeah, they're going to exhale all that bad stuff, right? They're going to get rid of all that bad stuff that's in there. Is that right? Okay, we're going to see what happens when you exhale here in just a second.
That's kind of horrible.
Okay, Mr. Windland. Back in there here. You go ahead and okay, so now our smoker's going to exhale. Okay, we're going to get rid of all that bad stuff. So the good air is coming out. You'll see this clear up a little bit as they exhale. Okay, do you notice that it smells, even just with this bottle, it still smells like secondhand smoke? Okay, can you smell that? Okay, so we've exhaled, we've kind of cleared the lung there. Okay, so all the bad stuff's gone, right? Why not?
It sticks to your lungs.
Okay, those little sacs in your lungs. Okay, this is what's left in your lungs.
Oh my god.
Okay? That's one cigarette, one time. One time. You see the tar there? That doesn't come out of those sacs. Okay? You can't get it out. It doesn't come out. You exhale, it stays in. The smoke leaves, the bad stuff does not. Okay? This is why smokers can't breathe. This is why you get emphysema. Those sacs in your lungs fill up with that stuff. Okay? They no longer have room for air. There's no room for that good air in your lungs because it's stuck with all this junk. All the gross stuff. Okay? Imagine what this would look like if we went through this whole pack of cigarettes. Just one pack. Now, how many people do you know that smoke that just smoke one cigarette a day? I don't know of anybody. Most of the people that I know that smoke say that they smoke a pack a day or 2 packs a day. Okay? 2 packs. Add 2 packs to that one day. Add 2 packs to that every day for a year, for 2 years, for 3 years. Okay, do you see where the issue is? That's bad stuff. Okay, let's go back in. We're going to watch one more thing, and then we're going to talk about it a little bit.